am back in the garden. So everything that we harvested so far, that was yesterday. Today's another day. I had to go back in the house because it started to get dark. As you guys know, it's starting to get dark super early. But do y'all see all the peppers that we harvested, y'all? And that was from 2 beds. All the peppers that we harvested that y'all just saw on the last clip that we empty out was from that bed right there. So I got a lot of like the bell peppers, the jalapenos and things like that from here, and then all of the scotch bonnets and the habanero was from back there in that bed. Can y'all believe that's just all that we just got, and we haven't gone through the entire garden yet? I still have to harvest the tomatoes that's up here. I'm probably going to do that last, but now since I'm done with this side, we are about to come to this side. So yes, today is the next day, y'all, and this is probably going to go into the following day as well, because I am doing this one video where I am harvesting everything in my garden. Okay, so over here is where I harvested all of the eggplant in the last video. If you guys did not watch that, please make sure you go ahead and watch that, okay? And then back here I have some tomatoes and things like that, and I see a ton of tomatoes on there that I need to get off of there. But I think I'm gonna start with this bed first, get all of the peppers, and then we'll move back there towards the tomatoes. And we still got to go all the way over there. Like, we still got to harvest all of that stuff over there, all the stuff back there. So yeah, stay tuned. As well as back there against the fence, we got a ton of peppers on there as well. So just want to let y'all know we're in a new day. Okay, so let's continue, just so you can know how much work is going into this harvest. So y'all, please make sure y'all like that video, okay? Because this is a lot of work, y'all, a lot of work. If you're enjoying the video, please go ahead and like the video. Of course, like I said, I'm not doing a lot of talking. We're just harvesting and having a good time. All right, come along. As you can see, I already emptied out my baskets, and I brought more stuff. So I brought these so I could put like the tomatoes or anything like small in those. So we need all the space we could get.
Stop this provision. Minnesota Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar, Tina Smith voted with me.
and not really having much of her own.
Y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye y'all. Happy gardening. Signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.